Two giants. Two legends. One epic showdown. In the red corner, we have the Harley-Davidson Breakout, a long, low-slung beast oozing American muscle. And in the blue corner, the BMW R18, a German engineering marvel with old-school aesthetics and mind-blowing power. These are not just motorcycles, they are rolling statements of wealth, status, and raw dominance. But which one truly deserves the throne in the world of power cruisers? By the end of this video, you'll have your answer. Buckle up, this is a ride you don't want to miss. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate what these machines represent. The Harley-Davidson Breakout carries the weight of a legacy built on rebellion, attitude, and that unmistakable V-twin growl. Meanwhile, the BMW R18 brings German precision, cutting-edge technology, and a touch of nostalgia from the 1930s. Two bikes. Two philosophies. But both built for one purpose, to rule the road. The real question is, which one rules your heart? Let's start by unleashing their true power. 1. Engine and performance. The heartbeat of any cruiser is its engine. And these two don't hold back. The Harley Breakout roars with a Milwaukee 8117 V-twin, producing 103 horsepower and a monstrous 123 lb-ft of torque. It's raw, loud, and aggressive, the kind of power that demands attention. But BMW didn't come to play. The R18 houses the biggest boxer engine ever built, and 1,802 cubic centimeters air-cooled twin that pumps out 91 horsepower and 116 lb-ft of torque. It may have less peak power, but its torque delivery is smooth, linear, and incredibly refined. So, is it all about brute force or precision? We'll let the next round decide. 2. Handling and ride quality. The Harley Breakout is a straight-line missile, long, low, and built to dominate the boulevard. With a raked-out front end and a 240mm rear tire, it grips the road like a dragster. But take it into a tight curve, and suddenly, you feel every bit of its 682 pounds weight. The BMW R18, however, takes a different approach. It's heavier at 761 pounds, but with its low center of gravity, it glides through turns effortlessly. The shaft drive system delivers power in a way that feels incredibly smooth, almost like you're floating on air. The question is, do you want a raw, rebellious beast or a smooth, sophisticated cruiser? But what's power and handling without looking like a king on the road? Let's talk design. 3. Design and aesthetics. Both these machines turn heads, but in completely different ways. The Harley Breakout screams modern-day muscle with its aggressive drag-style design, blacked-out engine components, and a menacing 240mm rear tire that makes it look like a road-eating predator. On the other hand, the BMW R18 is a tribute to the past, massive chrome finishes, a teardrop fuel tank, and that exposed shaft drive reminiscent of the 1936 BMW R5. One bike looks like it was built for downtown street fights, while the other looks like it belongs in a vintage. 4. Comfort and ergonomics. The Breakout's forward controls and low-slung seat put you in a stretched-out position, aggressive, confident, but not the best for long rides. You feel every bump, every crack in the road. The R18, however, offers a more relaxed stance, with its mid-mounted pegs and plush seating, making it perfect for long-distance cruising. But here's the twist, the Harley's raw feel might be uncomfortable to some, but to others, it's exactly what makes the ride exhilarating. So do you crave long-haul comfort or an adrenaline-fueled street brawler? And of course, we can't talk about a luxury lifestyle without discussing the price. 5. Price and value for money. If you're considering these bikes, you're already thinking big. The Harley-Davidson Breakout starts at around $22,500, while the BMW R18 comes in at $15,000 to $17,500, depending on trims. But price is just a number. What truly matters is what you get for your money. With Harley, you're paying for heritage, exclusivity, and that unmistakable street presence. With BMW, you're getting a blend of history and modern German engineering at a competitive price. The real question is, which one gives you more bang for your buck? Two machines. Two experiences. Two lifestyles. If you crave raw American muscle, a loud, aggressive attitude, and the kind of presence that makes people turn their heads, the Harley-Davidson Breakout is your ride. But if you want vintage elegance, smooth performance, and a cruiser that blends history with cutting-edge engineering, then the BMW R18 is your perfect match. But here's the final question: which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this power cruiser showdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more epic motorcycle battles. Until next time, ride safe and ride in style.